Hey, do you have a problem like this? Or like this? Well, these guys have just the fix. I've got this magnetic socket organizer set here for an unboxing and review. It's got 16 piece for a 1/2 inch driver, 26 pieces, 3/8 for a 3/8 driver, 26 pieces for a 1/4 inch drive. These are great. It's got a magnetic base, magnetic back on it. So look at this. Slap it right up there. Put all your sockets in there. Oh yeah, that's a good magnet too. Here's everything that came in the box. Check it out. I'm so happy getting a little organization with the sockets going on. And I'll show you the other really cool thing about this. So they can sit flat just like this, and they're nice and heavy and stout. They're not going to tip over and spill out on you. I'll show you the other cool thing about them. Look at this. They'll even stick vertically right to your toolbox. So you can put them in the drawer, or you can just put them on the outside of your toolbox too.